get into.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you how to install mods in Euro Truck Simulator 2. Before that, if you want to make a homemade gaming console like ours, you can check out the link in the description box. We have made a complete tutorial on how to make gaming steering wheel, pedals, as well as a manual head shifter. These are some of the websites from where you can download the mods for Euro Truck Simulator 2. It may be map or vehicle mods. So I'll show you in one of the site. So now I am opening ETS2 world.com. So here I'll search for the mod. My game is version 1.30, so I need to search for the same version of the mod, and even sometimes the lower version also supports. So this mod I'll download now. So these are car specifications, and sometimes here they'll also show the dealer where you can buy. So here the dealer is not mentioned, which means we need to find it manually. Download mod. So here it's downloading. So you need to cut or copy this .scs file. Go to your Eurotruck installation folder. It will be in Documents, Eurotruck Simulator 2, Mod. So here you need to paste the file. Now open the game. Here you can create a new profile, and inside this mod manager you can add the car or any map mods. But I'll show you in already created profile. So click on that, go to mod manager. So double click or click on the mod and click this arrow. So here it appears in active mods. Click on confirm changes. Continue game. So sometimes if the mod which you have installed is not supported by this version, then in this page it will show the mod is not supported, and sometimes the game gets crashed. Then you need to go and delete the .scs file you pasted in the mod folder. Go to truck dealers. As I mentioned before, I need to search all the dealers. So here only I have. Purchase. So this is how you can install any truck or other car mods in Euro Truck Simulator 2. I hope the video will be very useful for you. Thank you for watching, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section below. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.